Now let's talk about milestones. We use milestones to track the progress of various issues. So we can add a bunch of issues to a milestone and then see how much we have progressed in that milestone. So here on the Issues tab, we go to Milestones and create a new milestone. We give it a title. This can be anything that is meaningful to the team. For example, if you're working on version 2 of our software, the title can be 2.0.0. Now, optionally, we can give it a due date. So I'm going to set this to, let's say, 30th of September 2020. We can also give it a description and then create the milestone. So here we have one open milestone that is due by September 30th. Now over here, you can see the progress of this milestone. Now currently, we don't have any issues assigned to this milestone. So let's go to the issues page and select this issue. And of course, we could select multiple issues and then put them in a particular milestone. Good. Now look over here. This issue is assigned to our version 2 milestone. Now let's go to the Milestones tab. Now look over here. We have one open issue, 0 closed, and we're at 0% complete. If I close this issue, our milestone will be complete. Let me show you real quick. So we go to the issues. I'm going to select this issue and then mark it as closed. Okay, good. Now back to the milestones page. Look, our milestone is complete. This is a very useful report.